Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a new inventory piece of ours. It's going to be a Sea Ray 2025 280 SLX. We do have it powered by twin 250 Mercury Verado outboards. We have them in the black color to match this black full hull color beautifully. As you can see, we do have a rally red accent stripe on the boat as well. This pairs nicely with our black rub rail with a stainless steel insert and our black power tower up top. Let's hop inside and check out some more features. So now that we're on board the 2025 280 SLX, once again, would like to point out this boat is powered by twin V8 250 Mercury Verado engines. We do have them equipped in the black, matches the full hull color black very nicely. We also have a full walk-through transom here in the back, easily able to get from port to starboard without much. We do have the engines fully trimmed all the way up here, and we're still able to maneuver this transom very nicely. As we walk through, would like to point out this gray sea deck. We did pair that beautifully with our stone interior. That is going to be the Sea Ray gray interior throughout the boat as well. Matches beautifully with this color combo. Here in the back, we do have a very nice opening here, large deep ski locker storage. Also can put multiple fenders, lines, life jackets, anything you need. Also very nice spacious sun pad area here in the back. Able to see over this ski tow bar here, so able to participate in any water sports on this boat that we may like. Also have access to our Fusion stereo here on the transom of the boat without having to go to the helm. We do also have some USB ports here if you would like to plug in anything, charge some phones while you're lounging in the back. We do have the boat. It does have a nice transom door here. If you have any small children or pets that you would like to block off access to the engines too. We do have the boat equipped with a battery charger as well, along with a freshwater spray down here at the transom. Very nice to be able to rinse off yourselves before entering into the boat. Do have large storage underneath here, usually where we'll stow some fenders and other things. It is drained and it is sealed, so you can throw wet items in there as well. As we move into the cockpit of this boat, we do have a nice step here that is equipped for easy access from the dock into the boat. Large storage underneath our U-shaping seating throughout. We do have large storage underneath here. And then if we were to remove this insert, we would have access to our bilge area as well. We do have dedicated cooler storage underneath this starboard side lounger. Also, nice feature over here is this nice area here. We do have storage underneath, along with cup holders, and then a wireless phone charger as well to be able to charge your phone while underway. We do have a nice fridge drawer equipped here as well to be able to keep some beverages cold while underway. Then also deep storage in the floor as well. As we move up to the helm, would like to point out that we are nicely covered through this electric bimini top that we have equipped this boat with. Very nice coverage that we get here. You also can have another section fold out if you wanted to cover the transom of the boat as well. Here at the helm, we do have our standard Sea Ray steering wheel here. Twin 12-inch Simrad screens to be able to display chart plotters, fish finders, anything else we may need. Our Fusion stereo head system that we have access to throughout the boat with other head units. We do have the boat equipped with trim tabs as well, so the Lenco trim tabs, easy access here, along with switching to be able to control windlass, lights, windshield wiper, other features. We do have this digital throttle and shift upgraded new Mercury binnacle. Do have port and starboard engine paddles, along with several other controls to be able to put it into a one lever function, along with an active trim system for the boat. We do have the joystick feature equipped as well. that will also come with a skyhook and an autopilot feature to be able to captain this boat, make it as easy as possible for the one that is doing so. Underneath here, we do have a full electric head. Do have a storage blackwater tank on board, along with a seacock, so it gives us the ability to overboard discharge. Would like to point out port and starboard seats here are on a swivel base, so will allow us to rotate them and allow the people sitting in these seats to become a part of the conversation. A great way to incorporate everybody while you are hanging out on the boat, out on the water. Also access on this port side seat as well to 2 cup holders, another wireless phone charger, and then we do have some more USB ports over here for any charging needs that we may need as well. As we move up into the bow of the boat, we do have some more nice storage underneath, access to a trash can, along with more storage underneath that we have access to on this lounger as well. We do have a very nice spacious bow area. I am 6'4" for reference, so very comfortable place to be able to enjoy the water. We do have storage underneath. Both of these as well, as I said, allow us to have deep access on this starboard side, and then on the port side, some more storage access as well. Up at the bow here, we do have an anchor windlass, so we'll be automatic controlled here with this push button remote. Also have access to that at the helm as well. We do have a sprayer up here as well. Have access to be able to spray down our chain and anchor as we pull it in and lock it back into place. 2 more features I would like to point out at the bow here. You do see these inserts here. We do have the ability to shade the bow of the boat. And then one more feature that I would like to point out up here at the bow is the ability to cut off the bow. So in those winter boating months, you do have the ability to close both of these screens and fully get behind a windshield while underway. Really extends your boating year throughout. Thanks for joining me today on this Sea Ray 2025 280 SLX. If you'd like to learn more about this boat or anything else that we offer here at MarineMax Charleston, please feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. As always, check us out on marinemax.com. Once again, I'm Colin Reed, and thanks for watching.